Alright, so I'm gonna play the Polar Express for the Game Boy Advance, and I've got it plugged in to the Game Boy player for the GameCube. So I'm playing this on the GameCube. And this game was based off of the movie The Polar Express, featuring, I believe it was an animated movie. So I don't know what character he may have voiced over or what. I believe this was a Christmas movie. I'm only guessing because of the snow and shit. And it's got Tom Hanks in it, so it's got to be some sort of feel-good Christmas movie. Let's get started. Now, I bought this game for $1 used, and we've got 3 save states here: Trina, HK Love 7, and Kiana. I'm gonna go with Trina here, game A. Looks like she 100%ed some of these levels, or at least the first 2. Got 30 out of 30. She's missing a couple. Looks like she's finished. I don't know how many episodes there are in this game, but that's as far down as it goes. She probably finished this game. She must have loved this movie. We're gonna go ahead with the first level here. I only played this game once for a couple minutes to see what this game was exactly. It's a platformer. It's Christmas Eve. Blah blah blah. Polar Express. Oh, that looks like Tom Hanks right there. Yep, that's Forrest. That kid looks like he gets bullied every day. That kid, you gotta run fast. You better run, Forrest, run if you want to catch this train. Alright, so corner the African American girl. We gotta get that emergency brake. Alright, now here's the first problem. You got luggage in the middle of the train aisles. And this is a passenger train car. There's seats everywhere, and we're trying to get to the emergency brake to get some kid on the train, and we got crates and shit and luggage stopping us. We're collecting candy canes on the way. So we got some exposed gears on the walls of this train. I don't know what kind of train this is, if they finished building it or what, but I don't know, something's wrong with this train here. Someone can get hurt. You got kids running around and shit. And why do we have... Okay, so first you got a random platforms suspended in midair in the middle of a train car. Now you gotta jump, climb it, pull yourself up, climb up a ladder, and we got floating heads. On top of that, you got exposed gears. I wouldn't want to be the passenger with the tickets to sit on these chairs right here. Not on this bench, not on this one right here. I mean, I'm probably, what is this, the engine or something? Yeah, gears going and shit. It's probably hot as fuck. I wouldn't want to be sitting there. We just lit up a Christmas tree. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take some. This looks like an obstacle that I'm going to take damage on. Let's test it out. Yeah, that's what I thought. And what a useless machine. I mean, it just brings the luggage left to right. Doesn't even drop it off anywhere. It's just a poorly designed train. And what's the purpose of that machine? Kill kids when they're trying to get on the emergency brake to stop the train? Shit ton of luggage everywhere. I don't know who stores this stuff here. At least there's no seats here, so we're not really blocking the aisles or anything. So it makes a little more sense. There's some white stuff coming out from the bottom of the train. Don't know what that is. It's not a power-up. It looks like there's a hole in a train is what I'm guessing. Now, that can't be snow shooting out, because I was just outside. There's no blizzard, there's no sub-zero hypothermia level temperatures out there, because I didn't take any damage while I was out there. So it's probably steam. So it's probably some sort of steam-powered train, and now probably got some like burst pipe or some shit shooting steam. And this is a passenger car because you can tell the seats, so this is all sorts of fucked up luggage everywhere. Look, it's taller than this kid. He has to jump, pull himself up just to get over the luggage. I mean, and there's no passengers on here. I mean, who brought all this shit here? This little kid? Platform suspended in midair with a Christmas tree on top of it. Got more holes in the bottom of the train. More floating heads. Now I don't know if this is a... I mean, if I was a kid and I saw a floating head playing a video game, I would think this is a horror game. Now, I don't know if this is a feel-good Christmas movie or some sort of Christmas horror movie. You gotta climb over all this luggage. You got exposed gears and shit. Machines that carry luggage from left to right that does damage. Holes on the bottom of the train that shoot steam. I'm guessing this is some sort of train survival movie. Probably the US remake to Snowpiercer and shit. Featuring Tom Hanks, who's also the last nigga on Earth. There you go, that's the emergency brake right there. That took a while. I mean, this train was moving. I don't think that kid made it. He's got to be miles away by now. That was